WT Jensen, 27, Michelin Galoshi, single, 24 years old, diploma in hotel and restaurant. 2 years experience as a music helper in Philippines. Tell me something about yourself.
I am Michelin Galoshi. I am 24 years of age. I am single. I live in Fatima Ojao, General Santos City. I graduated in Diploma Hotel and Restaurant Management in Kerala Institute of Technology.
Location says how far or how many hours of travel going to Maynila?
30 minutes.
Family background?
I have 3 brothers, 1 sister. My father is farmer. My mother, housewife.
Tell me something about your DH experience.
2 years, a domestic helper in the Philippines.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Yes.
What are your hobbies?
Hobbies is cooking, cleaning.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby or elderly?
Yes.
Do you know how to do bottle feeding?
Yes.
What are the steps of bottle feeding?
Wash the bottle, sterilize the bottle, put the milk powder and shake well and feeding baby.
If the baby still keeps crying, what will you do?
Change nappies and feeding baby.
If the baby has a fever, what will you do?
Call the employers and go to the clinic to check up the baby.
Do you know how to sing lullaby song?
Yes. 1 letter, 2 letter, 3 letter angel, 4 letter, 5 letter, 6 letter angel, 7 letter, 8 letter, 9 letter angel, 10 letter angel boy.
Do you have any other talent?
Yes, dancing.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
Focus yourself on work.
If one of your family members will you break the contract, what will you do?
I will not break the contract. Then I will send the money for medication.
What could you teach the children?
Teach the good manners in a good way.
How long can you work in Hong Kong and why Hong Kong?
Finish the contract. Then nice place. Then earn money for my family.
Thank you, Richie.